Hello everyone, in this quick tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to fix this problem of this error when you're trying to play a video in Google Chrome. So first of all, you need to turn off your ad blocker. If you have ad blocker in Google extension, so just go to the three-dot menu and then go to extension and go to manage extension. And if you have an ad blocker, just try to turn this off ad blocker, then play the video if the video is not getting error. And there's another method that you can fix this problem is just go to the three-dot menu here. Then go to the settings option. After opening the settings option, you just need to go to the system option. And if you have a hardware acceleration or the graphics acceleration when available, you just need to turn this off and relaunch your Chrome browser. And then again, if the error is coming or not, hopefully this will fix your problem and don't show the error when you're trying to play a video in Google Chrome. And if you're using mobile, just try to turn off the desktop side if you're using the desktop side, or if you're not using the desktop side, just turn on the desktop side, see the video is playing in your mobile or not. So hopefully this will help you to fix this error. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel and thank you for watching.